Hey, hello and welcome back students. Welcome to the MEG-15 Indian Literature in English. In this video, we are going to cover Untouchable by Mulk Raj Anand. So without any further wait, let's just start with the introduction. The introduction is, can one day reveal an entire social problem? Imagine waking up in the morning and being treated as less than human. Not because you committed a crime, not because you did something wrong, but simply because you were born into a particular caste. People avoid touching you, people insult you, people refuse to see you as equal. This is the painful reality faced by Bakha, the protagonist of Untouchable, written by Mulk Raj Anand. The remarkable thing about this novel is the entire story takes place in just one day. Yet through that single day, Anand exposes centuries of social injustice. Now let's talk on what is this novel about. The novel follows Bakha, a young sweeper boy. He belongs to the so-called untouchable caste. Throughout one day, he experiences humiliations, discriminations, insults, social exclusion. Through Bakha's life, Anand attacks the caste systems. Now let's talk on who is Bakha. Bakha is one of the most memorable characters in Indian English fictions. He is hardworking, sensitive, intelligent, physically strong. Unlike stereotypes, Bakha is not lazy or ignorant. In fact, he dreams of dignity, respects a better future. This makes his suffering even more painful. Now let's talk on Bakha's work. Bakha works as a sweeper. His job involves cleaning human waste. Society considers this work polluting because of his people treat him as untouchable. The tragedy is society needs his labor but refuses to respect him. In the morning incident, one of the most famous scenes, while walking through a town, Bakha accidentally touches an upper caste man. Immediately the man being shouting, polluted, polluted. Bakha is publicly humiliated. Now let's talk on why is this scene important. This moment reveals the cruelty of caste discriminations. Bakha did nothing wrong, yet society treats him like a criminal. This shows irrational prejudice, social injustice, dehumanization. So now let's talk on caste system in the novel. The bigger theme, the caste system divides people into social categories. Untouchable occupy the lowest position. They face exclusions, discriminations, humiliations, lack of opportunities. Anand strongly criticizes the system. Now let's talk on human dignity. One of Anand's central concerns is human dignity. Bakha wants simple things: respect, equality, recognitions. He wants to be treated as a human being. The novel asks, why should birth determine a person's worth? So now let's talk on Western influence on Bakha. An interesting aspects of Bakha characters, he admires English clothes, British soldiers, modern lifestyles. Why? Because he associates them with freedom and dignity. This reflects the social realities in colonial India. Colonialism and caste. The novel does not focus only on caste. It also exists within British colonial India. Anand suggests both systems, colonial dominations, caste oppressions, restrict human freedom. Now let's talk on poverty and social exclusion. Bakha's family struggle with poverty, poor housing, limited opportunities. Their social positions affects every aspect of life, and Anand shows caste and poverty are deeply connected. Now let's talk on the temple incident. Another important scene, Bakha approaches a temple instead of spiritual comfort. He experiences humiliations. A priest falsely accuses him. This exposes religious hypocrisy. Anand criticizes institutions that support discrimination. Now let's talk on Gandhi's speech. Near the end, Bakha hears a speech by Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi condemns untouchability, caste prejudice, social injustice. This provides hope. The flush system symbol. One of the most important symbols, a modern flush toilets, is discussed as a possible solution. Why? Because it would eliminate the need for manual cleaning. Anand suggests technology can help reduce social operations, very important for exam points. Now, this is Bakha's inner conflict. Throughout the novel, Bakha keeps asking, why am I treated this way? He struggles between anger, sadness, hope, helplessness. This psychological depth makes him a powerful character. Now let's talk on central themes. Number 1, untouchability. The central themes, the novel attacks caste discriminations. Number 2, human dignity. Every human deserves respect. Number 3, social injustice. Society often treats people unfairly because of birth. Number 4, economic hardship reinforces discriminations. Number 5, hope and reform. This novel suggests change is possible. Here is the important symbols. Bakha represents oppressed humanity. Broom represents social stigma and labor. Flush toilet represents modernism and social reform. Here's the Anand social realism. This novel is famous for realism. Anand represents real social problems, real suffering, real inequalities. There is no romanticization. This makes the novel especially powerful. Here is the 20 mark answer tips. In the introduction, you should write introduce Mulk Raj Anand and social realism. In the body, discuss about Bakha, caste discriminations, dignity, poverty, Gandhi, and symbolism. In the conclusion, highlight Anand's attacks on untouchability. Now, end up with the conclusion what the novel teaches us. Untouchable teaches no human being should be judged by birth. Social systems must be questioned when they create injustice. Dignity and equality are fundamentals human rights. Through Bakha's single day, Anand reveals the pain of oppressions and the hope for social change. So that's it from this video about MEG-15 Untouchable by Mulk Raj Anand. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.